Hello children, welcome back to your activity class. So I hope you all are enjoying your summer holidays. Yes, show me the thumbs up. Yes, I know you all are enjoying the summer holidays. So today I have brought something new for you. One more amazing activity. So are you all ready for that? Yes? Okay. So let us see what is the name of the activity. The name of the activity is Sing and Float. Sing and float. Alright? So here you can see I have taken some things. Okay? So here let me tell you the names of the things first. So this is a spoon, this is a cap of a water bottle, this is a chalk, a flower, here you can see keys, sharpener, a leaf, some pebbles, a long feather, safety pin, a pencil and a twig. Okay, so I have taken these items. So now what we are going to see? We are going to see what are the things are going to float on the water and what are the things sink inside the water. So are you all ready? Yes? So let's see. One by one I am going to drop this thing and let us see what happens. This is a spoon. So what do you think? If I put it into the water, what happens? Will it float or it will sink? Let's see. Oh, it sinks inside the water. So let us see one more object. So this is a cap of a bottle. So let's see what is going to happen now. Oh my God, it floats. Yes, it is not sinking. Let's see one more thing. This is keys. You can see keys. So let's see. Let me drop it. What do you think? It will float or it will sink? Let's see. You are correct. You are right or wrong? Yes, right. It sinks inside the water. Now let's see another one. This is our next thing. This is leaf. Yes. So let's see what happened to this leaf. Oh, it floats. It is not sinking. Now next is pebble. So are you all ready? Yes? I think it will sink. What do you think? Let's see what happened to the pebble. Yes, it sinks inside the water. Next is a sharpener. Yes, we sharpen our pencil using our sharpener, isn't it? Yes. So let's see what happened to the sharpener. Yay, 1, 2, 3. It also sinks inside the water. Now it's time for flower. Yes, can you tell me what color is this? Yes, it is red in color. A beautiful flower, right? So let's see what happened to the flower. 1, 2, 3. It floats. It is not sinking. Next is a chalk. Okay, chalk, let us drop it. Now slowly it is also sinking. Safety pin. It is also sinking. Now let's see what happened to the pencil. We write using our pencils, right? Yes. So let's see. Oh, it floats. It is not sinking. Next is a beautiful feather. Yes. Beautiful feather of a bird. Now let's see what happened to the feather. It is also floating. And the last one is a twig. Let's see what happened to this. It is also floating, not sinking. So here we can see there are some objects which is sinking and some objects which are floating on the water. Okay, so now let me tell you why is this happening. You know, the things which are heavier than water is going to sink inside the water. And the things which are lighter than water, they will float. So you can also explore the things which is going to sink or float at your home also. You can take some other materials also. I have taken these things. You can take some other things also. Okay, like you can take eggs, you can take coin. Okay, 1 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin. We have coins at our home, right? So you can use those things also. Alright, you can use your erasers also. Okay, and find out what are the things that are going to sink and what are the things that are going to float on the water. So I hope you like this activity. Okay, so do it at your home. Enjoy your summer holidays. So bye bye everyone. Take care. See you soon.